In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a movie poster in Canva. We'll keep this quick and creative, so let's jump right in. First, open up Canva. If you don't have a Canva account yet, it only takes a moment to sign up, and the free version has plenty of resources to get you started. Once you're in, create a new design by selecting the poster option. This will give you the perfect dimensions to work with, ensuring your artwork is ready for both digital sharing and print. Now, the fun part begins with choosing a template. Canva offers a wide array of pre-made templates that can spark your creativity. Feel free to browse through them and select one that resonates with the theme and tone of your movie. Alternatively, start with a blank canvas if you prefer building your poster from scratch. Whichever path you choose, you'll still have complete creative control. A standout movie poster needs a striking background. Use a high-quality image or a vibrant gradient to set the stage. This will form the visual foundation of your poster, so pick something that complements the movie's mood or genre. To add engaging text, head over to the Text tab. Here, you should choose large, bold fonts that are eye-catching and legible from a distance. Typography can be just as expressive as images, so play around with different styles until you find the perfect look for your film title and tagline. Adding imagery and characters is crucial for capturing attention. Navigate to the Elements section, where you can search for images, icons, and other graphics to incorporate. This is an opportunity to highlight key actors, directors, or any symbolic elements relevant to your movie plot. If your images need a little refinement, use Canva's Background Remover. This tool is handy for cutting out characters or objects so they blend seamlessly into your design. Make sure your audience has all the information they need. Add the movie's release date and, depending on your marketing plan, include a website link or social media handles. These details are subtle calls to action that can drive interest and engagement. As you make these adjustments, frequently check the contrast, readability, and overall balance of your poster. You want each element, text, images, and graphics, to harmonize well together without overwhelming the viewer. Once you've reviewed everything and feel it captures the essence of your movie, it's time to share your masterpiece. Click on Share and choose to download your design as a PDF or PNG. Both formats are excellent for different purposes. PNG is great for online displays, while PDF is ideal for print. And there you have it, a professional movie poster designed in Canva, all set and ready to dazzle your audience. Happy designing!